everyone, this is Easy Peasy here, and I was just kind of wanting to make a video just for fun, and I thought maybe I would do a liquid eyeliner review. Okay, all of my eyeliners are from the drugstore, so I'm going to start with the Milani Liquif-eye metallic eyeliner pencil. Now, in my products that I regret buying video, tongue-tied, in my products that I regret buying video, I said that I regretted buying the Loreal, oh, there goes my hair. I have my hair in a rope braid, and it was driving me crazy, so I twisted it up into a bun, side bun. Hang on just a second, I'll see if I can make this cute again. Anyway, in my products that I regret buying video, I said that I regretted buying the Loreal liquid eyeliner pencil. And I did, because I felt like it was really messy and didn't work very well. Well, I feel just the opposite about the Milani Liquif-eye. Liquif-eye. It's a soft cream pencil that is supposed to be like a cream liner. It's supposed to be able to give you the effect of a liquid liner. I find that this has really good staying power. It's much more easily manipulated around the eye than the L'Oreal pencil. So if you're just getting into eyeliners, especially cream and liquid eyeliners, I would recommend checking this out because it's very affordable. And it's really going to give you the feel of what it would be like to use a true liquid eyeliner, because it glides on so smoothly. Because when you use a pencil eyeliner, sometimes you have to sketch, but this just goes zoop. And I will swatch it for you. Okay, that's a thick line, but it also can thin out like that. And this is so soft and creamy and blendable. You can really smoke this out too if you want. So I like this one. This gets a positive review from me. My hair is so funky. Let's see if I can pin that up. Okay, anyway, next is another L'Oreal eyeliner, and it is the voluminous eyeliner pen. Okay, so I don't know if you remember in the products I regret buying video that I said that the liquid eye pencil from L'Oreal was very difficult to manipulate and you couldn't get a fine line. I find that is the same with this. Look how thick. This is like a marker. And look how thick the chiseled edge is. Let me see if I can hold it up. Okay? So even if you want a thick line, no problem. But if you want a thin line, that's about as thin as you can get, and you can only get that to work on like your upper eyelid. When you go to try and wing it out, it turns thick. However, you do get a nice dark line, but I don't know if you can see how it's sort of bleeding into the skin around on my hand. It does that in my eye also. So if you have any sort of fine lines or even just creases or just a little softening at the corners of your eye, I would not recommend this because it will bleed into any sort of fine line. Even if it's not an old age fine line, like if it's just from the way your eye is, it bleeds into any little fissure or crack or crease or anything. So this gets a mixed review. It's nice and dark, and you can get a really nice thick line, like if you're really going for a dramatic one. The thin line is just kind of okay, but it bleeds. But I do recommend this for a first-time liquid eyeliner user because it's just like drawing with a pencil. You really feel like you have a lot of control. You're not trying to control a little brush or a real thin inky sort of eyeliner. So I give this a mixed review for me, but I think it would be a good starter eyeliner. Okay, next we have the NYC New York Color liquid eyeliner. I think this only comes in black. It has a long wand, which I find makes it easier to get into the corners. And it has a brush tip applicator. and it gives you a very dark line. It's that one right there. And it's a nice thin line too. And this has good staying power. And I recommend this as a very affordable liquid eyeliner option. If it's more than $1, it's not much more than $1. And this is not over $5. So this is affordable, and I've had this a long time and it hasn't dried up yet. So I like this a lot. Okay, my next eyeliners are all from the brand called Prestige. And you can usually find these at CVS or Walgreens, although I think CVS has them more readily available. Anyway, they come in a wide variety of colors. I have all the colors, I think. I have a teal, dark blue, purple, forest green. That looks, is that the black one? No, that's forest green, but the bottle looks black. Oh, there it is. Forest green, brown, and black. Okay, so I'm going to swatch the black since all the other ones I did were black. Okay, this has a short wand on the inside, but the handle is quite long, so it's not too bad. I find you can choke up on the bat right here and really get some good control. It's a felt tip eyeliner. It comes in the little inkwell style. Okay, let me swatch. Okay, I'm going to do 2 swatches for this one because I want to show how you can get right there a very fine line or a nice thick line depending on how you apply this. And this lasts forever. I mean, once it dries, it's not going to smudge. It's really good, really, really good. And you can find these in the Styly Style display. It's usually like around sort of the nail implements and maybe the Coty air spun powder, like in the powder puff. It's usually just like a little display, almost like an end cap, and they have these there. So I love this. This is the first liquid eyeliner that I ever felt really comfortable using. Okay, and next I have Wet n Wild eyeliners. They also come in a variety of colors. Come back here. I have teal, purple, brown, and black. These are very affordable, really inexpensive. They are also a little inkwell, but it's a brush tip. Okay, again, you can get a very fine line or a very thick line. These are very easy to manipulate on your eye. The brush holds plenty of product, so you don't have to break off in the middle of doing your eye, go back and re-dip. These are great. They're awesome. But the waterproof version is not so good. So if you're going to try the Wet n Wild, get the Wet n Wild MegaLiner liquid eyeliner. Don't get the H2O because this has a very firm and hard felt tip applicator, and the formula is not easily manipulated, and the color isn't nearly as black. Can you see how like I got an uneven line? Like it started out, it's this last one over here. Oops, right there. It started out kind of thick, and then it went thin, and then it went thick. And I have problems with getting this smooth on my eye too, so I don't recommend this one actually. Yeah, just kind of stay away from this. It's not as good as the original. These and these are great, affordable liquid eyeliners. Prestige and Wet n Wild. And I've already done a review on these next products, but I just felt like mentioning them here because since they are a cream eyeliner and they come in a little pot, and they are the Loreal Hip Color, or the Loreal Hip High Intensity Pigment Color Truth Eyeliner. I don't know, they come in these little pots. And they look like that. And these have great staying power, and they are as blendable as a pencil eyeliner. So if you put this on and you use it on your top, you can do a cat's eye easily, and then you can do it on the bottom, and you can blend the bottom up into your cat's eye very easily, and they stay all day. They come off with eye makeup remover easily though. Okay, so those are the ones that I've tried a lot of other ones. I've tried CoverGirl and Almay and Revlon Color Stay, and these are my favorites. As always, thanks for watching. Bye!